Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting and ordering your photos. Rename them 01, 02, etc. so the sequence is clear. Once done, open an online editor that supports photo timelines. This avoids manual import hassles. Make sure to pick the right aspect ratio like 16, 9 for YouTube or 1 for social. Also decide target duration and any background music now, because timing and licensing affect pacing and transitions later on. You now assemble the timeline, upload photos and drag them into order, then set a base duration. 3 to 5 seconds per image is a good starting point. Next, apply consistent transitions and a subtle Ken Burns zoom to create motion and maintain viewer interest. Make sure to crop or scale images to keep important subjects centered. Once your visual flow feels right, add the audio track and nudge photo timings to hit key beats so the visuals and sound feel synchronized. You finish by previewing the full video at the intended resolution, 1080p for most platforms, and watch for pacing or audio mismatches. If everything looks good, export with the recommended codec and resolution. Double-check file size against platform limits. If playback stutters or colors shift, re-encode at a lower bitrate or try exporting a different codec. Also clear your browser cache or test on another browser or device. That simple step often reveals whether the issue is local or in the exported file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.